Hello viewer, once again I've taken you back to the plot where I'm doing my cultivation, and from my previous video I explained how you control the amount of soil that is being carried by the running water through soil erosion, and I have explained how you can control this one by tapping or blocking the water along the water path, whereby you just use small pegs and then twigs or leaves that will filter the water that is coming together with the soil, and then the soil or rather the water that is carrying the soil will be stopped here. So after some times the silt will sink and the running water will move to the other side of this barrier clean, and in the process you will find that along this water path the water will still collect some more soil, which again I'm going to block down here. As you can see, that water will be coming this way and I will block this water here. So a lot of silt again will be deposited here. A lot of it will be deposited here. And since the time the rains started, I've been collecting a lot of soil from here, which I am heaping here. You can see there is a lot of soil which is here. Remember now, this soil is the top soil which is carrying a lot of nutrients for the plants, including the manure that I've been putting on my rod. So this soil which I've heaped here, because rain is still continuing, what I will do, I will cover this soil with these leaves to ensure that again it is not carried by the rain which is ongoing. So I've not yet finished correcting my soil because I want to drain this small blockage here, because I'm expecting some more rain to come in the evening. And so as you can see, my spade is here with the soil. Some of it I have heaped it on this side, and the other one, as you can see, it is being heaped on the other side. Now somebody will ask, then what are you going to do with all this soil that you are correcting or you are assembling down your piece of land? So after the rains, what I will do, I will transport this soil with a wheelbarrow up the land, because most of the soil is being corrected from up the land. So I'll distribute that soil towards those areas, because the topsoil is one in those areas is the one that is going to be left weak. So I'll ensure this soil, which is very nutritious, will be distributed along that path. As you can see, you will still see some more heaps up there. This is the soil that I have been correcting from down up that way, so that after the rains I'm going to distribute that soil towards or along those sections which will be left bare, and so my next planting, my crops will not be very much affected. Now you can see now along that path you can see this is now my piece of land down the hill. And there is something else that I would want to advise the farmers who are doing agriculture along the areas that are sloping, especially during the rainy season. Can you ensure you do not do cultivation or you don't do weeding? Because now weeding will loosen the soil, and once you loosen the soil, now you create a very good leeway for the rains to correct that loosened soil downhill. So ensure during this time you are not weeding, you are not loosening your soil. Let that soil remain intact. As you can see, this piece of land has not been cultivated. All I'm doing is that I'm ensuring that my seeds are prepared very ready, so that once the rains subsides, I'll just come here with my tiller and then I till the land and then I'll do my planting. Otherwise, if you do the loosening of the soil, now you are encouraging soil erosion from your piece of land. Don't cultivate it, especially during the rainy seasons as we are witnessing. Remember, the rains that are ongoing, this is just a warm-up. We do not know what will happen next. Most of the soil will be carried away. So ensure, because you are not cultivating, you are not planting, most of the work that you are doing is to protect your soil, so that in the next planting you do not have a weak soil. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be updating you on more on what you should do, especially this time when we have a lot of rains. Thank you very much. Let's meet next time.